guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Holly and I've got an eyeshadow tutorial for you today. It's using my it's the Urban Decay heat palette I got for my birthday, and I finally had a chance to use it and film a video with it as well. The colours in here are absolutely stunning. As you can see, it's got like the perfect amount of mattes mixed with a couple of the shimmers. There's 4 shimmers in there. Anyway, I absolutely loved it and I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go through what I've just done on my eyes. I've already prepped my eyes because I've already got my base on, so I've already got my foundation on my eyes, and I prime my lids with concealer. And then I actually live by this stuff at the moment. It's actually rice powder from Primark, which is £4, and I put it over my lid to set the concealer on my lid. And then I don't know if you can see how the powder under here, I've just set it under my eyes so that if I get any fallout or anything from the eyeshadow, which I shouldn't do because it's Urban Decay, and Urban Decay is not known for fallout on their makeup. But anyway, at the end of it, I will just sweep it away. And then if there is any fallout, that'll sweep away with it without leaving any kind of marks underneath the eye. So I've gone in first with the shade Sourced, and I've just put that in the crease, and then I've blended it out and buffed it out as far as I can without hitting the brow bone and going too high. And then on top of that, I've then put the shade Low Blow, and I've also put that in the crease, and I've buffed it out, but not quite as far as I have with the Sourced shade. So you can still kind of see lightly those two tones. And then on top of that, I've then gone with the KN. Oh yeah, I was gonna say K9, I don't know why. With the KN colour with that shade. And I've switched brushes on that because I want it to be it's quite an intense shade. So I've gone for that in the crease, and then I've blended it over just the outer corner of the lid rather than actually blended up towards the other two shades. So there. next up, I've gone for the Unfuego, however you pronounce that. And I've just gone on the lid with that. I've not gone quite as far as the crease, and I've just put it on the outer corner of the lid. And then I've buffed it up then to the middle, to the inside. I've also gone on the under eye as well, and just on the outer corner of the under eye with the same shade, and then blended that. One of my favourite things to do when I'm doing eyeshadow is to go for a very, almost like a bit of like a highlight colour, like a shade just on the inner corners of the eyes, because it really does give your eye that certain pop. So I've gone for the ounce, and I've put that just on the inner corner of the eye, and then blended it just onto the inner corner of the lid there. And I've also brought it, so it's gone underneath as well on the under eye, and brought it, buffed it almost like to the centre, blended it to the centre. And now for the best part. So that's it. I've just finished it off then with the shade Scorched, and it's just that shimmer colour I've literally just placed in the centre of the lid. I've not buffed it out or smoothed it or anything like that. I've literally just patted it onto the lid, otherwise I think I'm just going to get like shimmer and glitter everywhere. So now I'm just going to blend on the outside just a little bit more, and then I'm going to touch up the rest of my face, and then we'll see the finishing product. See what you guys think. Thanks. My video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed filming it, and as much as I enjoyed playing around with the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. I will link all the products that I've used just down below in the comments, just below by the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, then please smash that thumbs up just down below, and follow me on Instagram, which is holly_rutter, and also follow me on Twitter, which is holly_makeup. If you did enjoy my video, I've got plenty more to come, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button just down below. Also, just a little taster, I have got 2 new Morphe palettes. As I'm sure everybody knows by now, Beauty Bay and Morphe parted ways. But the great thing that we got out of it was discounted Morphe palettes. So I'm excited to use these. So if you want to see what I can create with these Morphe palettes, then please remember to subscribe to my channel, because that is the most important thing. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Take care.